Now we'll start by doing the coding for this app. I've also added in an invisible component called as Web API. I'll go on to the blocks for this and we'll try doing some very basic code. The code might look a little difficult, but trust me, it's very easy. We'll start by creating a function that says to get weather. So it says to do something right here. I'm just going to change the name and I'm going to put in get weather. And also what I'm going to do is when the button is going to be clicked, I want to be able to get the weather. Okay, so whatever things that we are going to be putting it inside here between these this purple block, it's gonna get working as soon as we call the function get weather. So first of all, I want to set the weather's API to the URL of weather forecasting website. So I'll just click on Web API. Do you see this green block right here that says set Web API's URL to? Now, what I'm going to do is we are going to be breaking this down into 6 parts. Okay, so what I'll do for this is I'm going to go on to the text section. I'll grab and join block. I'll go to the settings and I'll add in, it has 2 items. I'm just going to add in 4 more. So it gives me a 6 long join block. I'll just like duplicate these pink blocks for the text. All right, so I have the website with me. We are just going to be copy pasting it. So this is the first part. In the second part, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be putting in the text inputs text over here. So I'm just going to go to text input and I'll grab this block that says text input one's text. So whatever city name you're typing in your text input box, it's going to come in here. And we'll try to add in some of the other parts of the URL. So I have it right here on the other tab. I'll just try copy pasting it from here to make our work easier. I'll be attaching this for you guys separately so that you would be able to copy paste it as well. And finally, this one right there. Now we're going to close the tab. Great. So this is going to be the URL. Now, what we want to do is we want to be able to get the outputs, the responses from the API. So here's how we are going to be doing it. Call web API's get. We'll just put it right here. And instead of the then do part, we'll try to set the temperature, the label result. We'll set the text of that too. Again, we're going to use a join block for this. Okay. So it's going to be coming up in degree Fahrenheit. So we are just going to put in F for the Fahrenheit. And on in place of the hello, we'll put in get property of object. And then we'll type in temp here. Sorry, temp. Then we'll grab another get property of object. And we'll type in main here. And then we'll do get object from JSON. And we'll put in response. That's it. Now we'll set the map as well to that city, okay? So we'll set the map's longitude and latitude. So we'll grab this block, set maps. Let's go ahead with longitude first. I'll just scroll this down a tiny little bit. So we are doing that so that city is going to be on display when you hit the get temperature button. Now I just need this exact same arrangement here, so I'll just like go ahead and duplicate it. I'm gonna put it right here. We'll just make some tiny changes over here. Over here I'm gonna type in LON for longitude and coord for coordinate. Yes, and a similar thing again for the latitude. So we'll just select latitude and here we'll type in LAT, then it's supposed to be chord, and finally response. So that's it, guys. This is gonna get us the temperature, the longitude, and the latitude, and all this entire function starts working when we click on the button. So that's it. So I typed in an Indian city and then I'm able to see the temperature. The map is not available on live testing it on the laptop.